Hi Sam. How are you doing today?
I'm great, thanks. What are we learning today?
Today, we're diving into the word.
Möglich.
It means possible in English.
That's interesting. Is that the main meaning?
Yes, possible is the most common meaning. However,
Möglich.
can also be used in expressions like
So viel wie möglich.
meaning as much as possible. Just be careful, as a false friend is the English word motive, which sounds similar but means something different.
Got it. Can you tell me more about how to use?
Möglich.
Of course,
Möglich.
is an adjective. It has a few forms depending on the context. The comparative form is,
Möglicher.
and the superlative is.
Am möglichsten.
For example, you could say,
Das ist die möglichste Lösung.
which means that is the most possible solution.
So, is it just used with nouns?
Yes, typically it describes nouns. For instance, you might say,
Es ist möglich, dass wir morgen gehen.
meaning it is possible that we will go tomorrow.
That's clear. What about the origin of the word?
Great question.
Möglich.
Comes from the Old High German word,
MGH.
which means capable or able. Over time, it evolved into its current form in Middle High German. It's fascinating how language develops, right?
Absolutely. I love learning about the history of words.
Now let's break down.
Möglich.
It consists of the root,
Mög.
from the verb,
Mögen.
meaning to like or to be able to, and the suffix,
Lich.
which often indicates an adjective. So, you can see how it relates to ability or possibility.
That makes sense. So, it's like putting together Lego pieces.
Exactly. When you think about it, the root gives you the idea of capability, and the suffix turns it into a descriptive word.
Are there any similar words to?
Möglich.
Definitely. If we look at other words with the same prefix,
Mög.
we have,
Mögen.
which means to like, and,
Vermögen.
which means to be able to, with the suffix.
Lich.
You can find words like,
Freundlich.
meaning friendly, and,
Ehrlich.
meaning honest.
That's a lot of related words.
Yes. And if we look at the compound patterns, there's
Möglichkeit.
which means possibility. You can break it down into
Möglich.
and.
Keit.
Other examples are
Schönheit.
meaning beauty from
Schön.
and
Heit.
and,
Freundschaft.
meaning friendship from
Freund.
and.
Schafft.
These examples really help. Can you give me some situations where I might use
möglich,
Sure. For a work situation, you might say,
Ist es möglich, die Deadline zu verlängern?
which means is it possible to extend the deadline?
let me try?
ist es möglich, die Präsentation zu ändern?
Perfect. That means is it possible to change the presentation? Now, another situation could be at a restaurant. You might say,
Haben Sie vegetarische Optionen, wenn möglich?
meaning do you have vegetarian options, if possible?
I see. So I could say,
Haben Sie glutenfreie Optionen, wenn möglich?
Exactly. And for traveling, you might say,
Ist es möglich, ein Zimmer mit Blick zu reservieren?
which means is it possible to reserve a room with a view?
this is fun. What about remembering the gender of
Möglich,
Since
Möglich.
is an adjective, it doesn't have a gender on its own. However, when used with a noun, you can remember that nouns ending in
Lich.
are often masculine or neuter. You can create a vivid image of a capable person to remember it.
That's a helpful tip.
Let's talk about how to use
Möglich.
in sentences. A common phrase is
So viel wie möglich.
meaning as much as possible. You might also say
Es ist nicht möglich.
which translates to it is not possible.
And I could say,
es ist möglich, dass wir heute kommen.
meaning it is possible that we will come today.
Exactly. Another phrase is
Möglichst schnell.
meaning as quickly as possible.
I think I'm getting the hang of it. What are some similar words I should be aware of?
Some commonly confused words include
Möglich.
and,
Magisch.
meaning magical. They sound similar, but they have very different meanings. Other collocations include
Möglich machen.
which means to make possible, and
Möglichkeit nutzen.
meaning to utilize a possibility.
This is really helpful. Can we do a quick recall check?
Absolutely. First question, what does
Möglich.
mean in English?
It means possible.
Great. What is the comparative form of
Möglich.
I think it's
Möglicher.
right again? Can you give me a sentence using
Möglich.
in the past tense?
Es war möglich, das Problem zu lösen.
Meaning it was possible to solve the problem.
Perfect. Next question, what is the origin of?
Möglich.
It comes from Old High German, right?
Correct. Last one, how do you say as much as possible in German?
That's
So viel wie möglich.
You're doing wonderfully, Sam. Today, we learned about
Möglich.
its meanings, how to use it in various contexts, and some related words. Keep practicing, and soon it will feel natural.
Thanks, Alex. I really enjoyed this lesson. I can't wait to use
Möglich.
in my conversations.